All right. It's your boy Wise Telling right here, and welcome back to Wise Tech. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make money online right here in Ghana. So if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I drop new videos. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so here we are. There is this website that pays you 1 Ghana cedis for each and every person that you refer. So this is my main account, and as you can see, I already have 1 cedi in my account. So I'll be showing you how to register for the website and start making some money. So if you refer maybe 10 people at a time, you will get 10 cedis, 20 cedis. The more people you refer, the more chances of making money. So, and it is very easy. You just have to send them your referral link and they will follow. So let me try and refer myself on another phone and show you how we do it. Yeah, so guys, this is my other phone and this is how the interface looks like. So I will leave a link in the description below. So when you click on that link, it will take you straight to this interface. So I'm going to register with my other phone number and show you how it actually works. So I will leave a link in the description below. So all you need is just click on that link and it will take you to this interface. So let me put my number there. And guys, when you are registering, don't add the 0. Just add it 2 4. Okay, so after you've done with it, then click on get code. They will send you a verification code. So here is it. 696529. Okay, then you input your password, your preferable password, any password that you prefer. You put it there. So let's make it ASDQERT. Okay, and you click on register. Okay, so this is your new interface. So as you can see, I referred myself on the other phone. So we will go back on my main account and see whether we have gained our 1 Ghana cedi or not. So the more people you are referring, the more chances of you getting money. Okay, so I will open my other account and see if you can withdraw the money that is. So all you need to do is click on the link in the description below. See, and boom, yes, we have our money here. You see, we have our 1 Ghana cedis added, making it 2 cedis. And I don't know if it works for other countries, but all I know is it's actually working in Ghana 100%. Yes, so we will try and withdraw and see whether we will get our money in our mobile money or not. Guys, this is real and legit. All you need to do is just click in the link in the description below. Just click on that link Okay, so let's try and withdraw and see. Okay, so you will click here on the invite friends button, and it will generate a link for you so that you can share on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, anywhere, so that when your friends also click on it, you will get your money right here. So let's try and withdraw and see. Okay, let's click on the withdraw button. Okay, let's select the amount we want to withdraw, 2 Ghana cedis. Okay, so the pin that you set it, you enter the pin right here. Oh shit, I think we have to get more coins. We have to get like 10 cedis or 15 cedis before we could withdraw, because